Hi there, students. A collage. A collage, a countable noun. I guess it could be uncountable as well. And then even, but less commonly, as a verb, to collage. Okay, so collage. A collage is a technique of creating art. This is a visual art where you take a canvas or a piece of paper and you start sticking different things to it. Yeah. And you make a picture by sticking things to this. You stick pieces of magazines or photographs or clippings or ribbons or bits of coloured paper or text or any objects you like, and you stick all these together onto the canvas or the picture, and that is a collage. Let's see, collage. This comes from the French word coller, to stick, to glue together. Yeah, and I think the phrase papier collé was used by Picasso. I think it was coined by Picasso and Georges Braque at the beginning of the 19th century. So a collage. Now, we can also use this word collage to talk about something that is a mixture of various things put together. Yeah. So this play is a collage of different scenes from different epochs. The book is a collage of different memories about the same event. So a collage, something that is created, is put together from lots of different diverse elements. Yeah. So to create something by putting all sorts of different things together. You could have a collage in music as well, where you're using a collage of different musical styles. Yeah, a collage of different musical genres. Yeah, maybe you use rock and roll and classical music and a bit of blues and some punk and some hip hop as well. That would certainly be quite a collage. But a collage, a combination of various things. Yeah. I think maybe when we go to bed and we dream, our dreams are a collage of different views of things that have happened to us during the day and in our past as well. So a hodgepodge, yeah, a collage of ideas, various different bits put together. Okay, so this is the idea of a collage. Yeah, it's something that's been made by combining a large number of very different things and putting them all together. Let's see. There are some cities which seem to be a collage of different architectural styles. We've got very old, very classical architecture together with very modern architecture. I'm not sure I like collages of architectural styles, but it's certainly a good example. Yeah, so a collage, a picture that's been made by sticking pieces of paper or cloth or different things onto a surface. And then a collage, a mixture of various different things. So formality, a collage of various different ideas. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think 6.5. Could you use it informally? I might use a mixture or something like that. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or even something formal. Yeah. and the origin, okay, it comes from French, from collage in French, a sticking together of different bits, from coller, to stick. Okay, so a collage is either one of these pictures, or it's an assemblage of various different things. Yeah, so this book is a collage of different memories. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Collage.